The Sultan of Sokoto, Sultan Muhammadu Abubakar III, has called on leaders and politicians in the country to protect the interest of the poor and less privileged in the society. The Sultan, represented by the Emir of Kano, Muhammadu II, made the call at the Third General Assembly and Peace Conference in Abuja.
Some books of Muslim history speak about a delegation of Christians from Najran who visited the Prophet, and he welcomed them. He had a dialogue with them in his mosque. He allowed them to stay in his mosque. That was their abode, and they conducted their service in his mosque. So my question is, where did we get this idea that somehow at the level of faith or at the level of religion, Christianity and Islam are at war? I don't know. I don't know. I think one of our greatest problems is ignorance, and we need to deal with that. And unfortunately, Nigeria, I mean, we have a number of extremely bright people. Unfortunately, the culture of reading and the culture of education has degenerated. And the kind of young people we're producing, the kind of mentality that we see on the social media is a reflection of the low quality of education that children have had. So these things are fundamental issues of governance, fundamental issues of social policy.
Bishop Matthew Kukah of the Catholic Diocese of Sokoto stressed that Nigeria must move from talking to taking action.
We must move, apart from just talking. I think we need to do much more. But we also need to accept our limitations. That we cannot continue like this without, in another way, being complicit to what is happening in this country. Because, you know, clearly, there is no country in the world that I know that human life can be wasted in the way and manner it is happening in Nigeria. If we don't hang together as a nation, we'll all hang differently. But definitely, the wastage, the carnage in human life, we must find a way of ending it.